Let's learn about two-stage least squares as well as instrumental variables. So let's take an example. Let's say we're interested in the relationship between watching TV and autism. So watching lots of TV is very unsociable. That can actually cause autism. However, having autism and having social anxiety may cause you to just watch more TV. So the question here is, what's the causal direction? Is it the case that watching TV causes autism, or does autism cause TV? So what we can do is actually use something known as an instrumental variable that correlates very strongly with watching TV, but not autism. So our example here actually will be rain. This will be our instrumental variable. So rain will actually cause folks to watch more TV since they're forced to be indoors more, but rain does not correlate to autism. So what does this two-stage least squares procedure look like? So first stage is we want to predict TV watching based on the instrumental variable. So we have TV watching is equal to, and we're going to use rain to predict TV watching. And then this should be very relevant. So this should be a very strong correlation, very, very high correlation. For example, f statistic is greater than 10. Now, what's the second stage? Second stage is actually using this predicted value to model autism. So now we have autism is equal to, let's call it beta 1. And the key here is you're using the predicted value, and then this predicted value is entirely driven by the rain factor, not necessarily other factors that may be correlated to both TV watching and autism, since you are indeed using the predicted TV watching. And then hence, this beta 1 coefficient right here will give you an approximation for the relationship between TV watching and autism, removing any like third factor that might correlate with both, because you're looking at TV watching purely driven by rain. In terms of extra material, there's relevance, which is that very high correlation between your instrumental variable and then the endogenous variable, and then exogeneity. We're just saying, hey, your rain should not be correlated with your outcome variable. And then exclusivity, also in the same ballpark as exogeneity as well.